Welcome to Rapid Rates Club. What if one unexpected event changed your entire life? What if a single decision forced you to question everything you believed about yourself, your future, and your purpose? Today, we will explore one of the most famous Urdu novels ever written, Jannat ke Pattay, which means Leaves of Paradise, written by Nimra Ahmed. This novel is much more than a love story. It is a story of faith, courage, self discovery, and personal growth. So, let's begin this beautiful journey. The novel revolves around a young and intelligent girl named Haya Suleiman. Haya is confident, modern, and ambitious. Like many young people, she dreams of a bright future and wants to enjoy life on her own terms. Everything seems normal until a mysterious incident suddenly changes the direction of her life. This unexpected event places her in a difficult situation. She becomes frightened and confused. Questions begin to fill her mind. She realizes that life is not always as simple as it appears. As the story moves forward, Haya finds herself facing challenges she never imagined. A journey of change. One of the most beautiful aspects of this novel is Haya's transformation. At the beginning, she sees the world from one perspective, but through hardship, mistakes, and life lessons, her understanding gradually changes. She learns that true strength is not found in wealth, beauty, or popularity. Real strength comes from character, patience, and faith. Her journey teaches readers that personal growth often begins when life becomes difficult. Sometimes our biggest struggles become our greatest teachers. The aspect of mystery and suspense. The novel is filled with suspense and mystery. There are hidden secrets, unexpected twists, and moments that keep readers eager to know what happens next. Every chapter reveals something new. The suspense keeps the story exciting, while the emotional moments make readers deeply connected to the characters. This perfect combination is one reason why millions of readers have fallen in love with this novel. Love with values. Unlike many ordinary love stories, the romance in Jannat ke Patte is different. It is not based only on attraction or emotions. Instead, it highlights respect, trust, patience, and dignity. The novel shows that true love should inspire people to become better versions of themselves. It teaches that a healthy relationship is built on strong values and mutual respect. This message makes the story both meaningful and memorable. The spiritual message. Perhaps the most powerful part of this novel is its spiritual message. Throughout her journey, Haya learns to trust God during difficult times. She discovers that faith is not only for moments of comfort, but also for moments of fear and uncertainty. The novel reminds readers that life will always have challenges. However, when we stay connected to our values and trust in God's wisdom, we can find strength even in the darkest moments. This spiritual journey touches the hearts of many readers and makes this novel truly special. Important lessons from this novel. There are many valuable lessons in Jannat ke Patte. The lesson number 1 is every choice has consequences. The decisions we make today can shape our future tomorrow. Lesson number 2 is difficult times help us to grow. Challenges may be painful, but they often make us stronger and wiser. Lesson number 3 is faith provides strength. When life becomes uncertain, trust in Allah and guide us through difficult situations. Lesson number 4. True success is not only material success. Real success includes good character, inner peace, and strong values. Lesson number 5. Never stop improving yourself. Personal growth is a lifelong journey. So the question arises in our mind, why people love this novel? People love Jannat ke Pattay because it combines everything readers enjoy. It has mystery, it has suspense, it has romance, it has emotional moments, and most importantly, it has meaningful life lessons. Readers do not simply finish the book and forget it, they carry its lessons with them long after the final page. So, to sum up, Jannat ke Pattay is more than a novel. It is a journey of transformation. It shows how faith can guide us, how challenges can strengthen us, and how our choices can shape our destiny. The greatest message of this novel is simple. When we protect our values and trust God, He opens doors that we never imagined possible. If you have not read Jannat ke Pattay, it is definitely a book worth exploring. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this summary, please like, share and subscribe to our channel for more inspiring book reviews and summaries. See you in the next video.